Looking for the best meat thermometer? Our comprehensive review covers a variety of options to help you find the best meat thermometer for your kitchen. There are many products available to choose best meat thermometer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to assist you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best meat thermometer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ThermoPro TP3 Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP3 takes the cake for a high-performing probe at an unbeatable price point, nearly half its competitor's price. This thermometer continually outperformed its listed measurement accuracy of 0.9 in everyday cooking duties and lab tests. In both our high and low temperature tests, we noted a much more remarkable precision of 0.3, 3 times better than advertised. Not only that, but this probe was consistently clocking in under 4 seconds. This made it the second fastest in testing to read a stable temperature. Its overall basic look may fool some, but the numbers don't lie. This is a foldable probe that not only holds its own but, in many cases, crushes the performance of a majority of the other thermometers in this review. While the simple TP3 impresses in terms of performance, it lacks features. It sports no waterproof rating and has specific heat limitations. For example, it explicitly states that you cannot leave the probe immersed in hot liquid or food for more than 1 minute without damage to the probe. The two biggest downfalls are related to the screen. 1. It does not feature a locking temperature readout, and 2. It has one of the smallest displays of the models we tested. However, there is no reason not to try this entry-level instant thermometer for its value. This model is lightweight, with a clip loop for carrying and a magnetic backing. Number 2. Kaizen Digital Meat Thermometer. The Kaizen Instant Read Meat Thermometer is an impressive contender, bringing top performance and quality to the competition. This model features a large, easily readable LCD screen, magnetic backing, and a high waterproof rating. While many handheld probes claim to measure temperature in seconds, this model actually does it, clocking adjustments in just 3 seconds. The Kaizen provides highly accurate measurements to a fraction of a degree, and in our testing, it was as precise as 0.1 at points. This near-perfect precision served us well in grilling and baking, and you can easily recalibrate the thermometer should it lose accuracy over time. While such speed and precision are impressive, watching the rapidly changing temperature display is somewhat jarring. Fortunately, the Kaizen includes a hold button feature that marks a minimum and maximum temperature until the button is pressed again. Note that the hold button function does not include a timeout. Additionally, the size and weight of the model is a potential drawback. It's not the smallest nor the lightest model we tested, although it does feature one of the longest probes in our review, enabling convenient temperature checks that keep your hands away from the heat. Overall, the Kaizen is an excellent choice for indoor and outdoor cooking. Number 3. ThermoPro TP16 Large LCD Digital Cooking Food Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP16 Digital does a great job handling the essential purpose of a programmable thermometer, though it doesn't include the additional features of similar meat thermometers featured in this review. Considering its performance and user-friendly interface, we believe that this basic-looking unit puts forth much more value than meets the eye. The TP16's response time is nearly half that of its nearest wireless competitor, the TP7. Although the programs are limited to a probe mode, preset, timer, and recommended internal temperatures for only the most basic meats, the interface is incredibly intuitive. Even without the aid of the owner's manual, we figured out how to program this model in mere seconds. The magnetic backing is excellent for attaching to the outside of an oven, but the small folding stand easily collapses when trying to press the buttons on the top. All appearances point to this thermometer as being designed to live on a grill. However, it's best to keep this one in the kitchen due to the lack of waterproof rating, and the fact that the non-backlit LCD is very difficult to read in direct sunlight, and the evening's dimness. Measurement precision of 1.8 is not as strong as the other competitors in our tests, and is only further explained by the readout's lack of a decimal resolution. But it has earned our praise for consistent efficacy, as our testing proves that this wired thermometer is at least as accurate, and often slightly better than the manufacturer claims. Number 4. MEATER Plus Smart Meat Thermometer with Bluetooth. The Meter Plus long-range thermometer is a smart concept and the most stylish temperature probe that we reviewed. The single, pen-sized probe can measure and record both ambient oven and internal meat temperatures and update that information in real time via our cleanly designed smartphone app. There are no wires. In fact, the base unit, a very chic bamboo case with a magnetic backing, serves only as a charging base and Bluetooth booster. Like many modern smart apps, this unit can connect to all of your app-based home devices, like your TV or Alexa, through the MEATER cloud. It can even provide updates when you are away from home. The app includes a wide variety of temperature presets for something as exact as a secreto cut of pork or as obscure as a kangaroo steak. In contrast, the temperature probe can be programmed entirely through your phone. Unfortunately, this incredible concept all but falls apart when put into practice. Yes, the dual sensors are relatively precise. However, due in part to the probe's fragility, this model is not versatile for more than cooking a roast. Without damaging the probe, the maximum internal temperature is only 212. Additionally, the probe must be inserted more than 2.5 inches to a safety notch, all but eliminating its usefulness in pinpointing the thickest part of the meat because you almost always have to insert the probe from the side. The booster does allow you to monitor temperatures up to 165 feet away when outside, but when cooking in the oven, the probe constantly lost connectivity anytime we moved more than a few feet away from the stove. For those trendy grillers who love the convenience of linking everything to their phone, even their meat thermometer, this is the perfect gift. Otherwise, we will wait until the MEATER Plus receives an update. Number 5. ThermoPro TP7S Wireless Meat Thermometer. When it comes to a less complicated wireless option that doesn't require a smartphone, we believe there is no better value than the ThermoPro TP7 Wireless. This meat thermometer consists of two separate units, the transmitter with wired probe and the programmable receiver. We were most impressed with how easily the two pair wirelessly, and the signal strength going from inside the kitchen to outside on the grill. With features including countdown and count-up timers, internal probe temperature, and preset meat temperatures, we pleasantly found the receiver to be easily programmable. We also particularly appreciated the thoughtful addition of different color backlights for the LCD screen on the receiver, which clearly identifies vital moments in cooking. The first increase in temperature within 15 of set temperature and when the probe reaches the set internal temperature. While both units can display temperature, only the transmitter displays the temperature at a decimal resolution. But, despite this advantage, the transmitter could use the most improvement. We feel that the unit could easily have a much larger LCD screen. More importantly, it would hugely benefit from something other than the simple hanger that easily slips from an oven handle every time we open the door, such as a magnetic backing or clip. We found that the interface is much more intuitive than it appears, despite its clunky-looking button layout, and will have you accurately taking meat temperatures right out of the box. That's all from my end. I make needful videos daily that can be helpful for people like you, so subscribe to my channel. If you want to get more information or products price, please check out my description. For any kind of query, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products since it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.